Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic calculation. It is very simple quiz but it has multiple things to learn from this quiz. So here we have two basic operation, multiplication and division, and also we have a power of a number. So we have to find out which answer is correct after solving this quiz. So here we will follow the order of operation to solve this quiz and find out which answer is correct. We have here four answers. It is 8810, 405, 554, and 90. We will see after solving this which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's move towards to recall what are the basic operations. So basically, we know that we have two rules, BODMAS and PEMDAS rule. And the rule says like if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see the exponent and power of any number. So if your expression has any number, has power, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out the division and multiplication sign. And if you are going left to right, so division and multiplication has same precedence. Either you are using the PEMDAS or BODMAS, so you can find which operation is coming. If multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve that part first. And if division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. So either it is coming subtraction or addition. So we have to solve that part first in your expression. So now move forward to solve this quiz using PEMDAS and BODMAS rule. So according to the rule, we have to see the bracket first. But in our expression, we do not have any bracket. So we will move forward and find out the exponent or O. So here in our expression, we have the power, which is 3 raised to power 2. So we will solve this part first in our expression. Other things we will write as it is. So 3 to the 3 raised to power 2 equals to 9. Multiply by 10 and divided by 2. So here we will give the reference. First, we have to solve according to the rule 3 raised to power 2. So here we will write which is equals to 9. Now we will move forward, and now we do not have any you can say the power or bracket. So now we have to go left to right in our expression. So now we will see the division and multiplication. So when we will go to left to right, so division and multiplication has same. So here we have this multiplication. So first we will solve this part first. So here we will write 9 multiplied by 9 equals to 81. Then we will write multiply 10 and divided by 2. And we will give the reference here 9 multiplied by 9 equals to 81. Again we have to go left to right in our expression. So we will go left to right, and again we have this another multiplication. So we will write like 810 because 81 multiplied by 10. Here we have the 10. So 10 and 81, 1 the 81. And divided by 22 equals to, as we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 81 multiplied by 10 equals to 810. Now we have only two terms which are dividing each other. So we will write 2 divided by 81, 0 divided by 2. So it becomes 2 for the 8, and 1 will not go from, so we will say 10. 2 5s are, we will write 0, and then we will write the 2 5 the 10. So answer is 405. So the answer of this expression using PEMDAS and BODMAS rule, so we will say like the answer B is the correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression using PEMDAS and what mass rule and get the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And we have added another playlist in our channels which is related to English quizzes. So you can follow that playlist as well and solve it and give your like score in comment box. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.